Morning. Hope everyone had a nice weekend. Today's Monday, October 23rd. I was told a report from Coach Johan that the 8-year-old girls soccer team in West Ashley pulled out the 2-1 victory. I didn't get any details, box score, play-by-play, none of that. Just told they got the W. So good on that front. I believe they are still dominating that league. On our end, we had a nice weekend. I think most of our clients know at this point, but my wife and I have a little baby boy due in December, so she had her baby shower here locally and felt very loved and taken care of. I know she had a good time. I was not invited, so I was out golfing, but we had a good time. She enjoyed it. I hope you guys had a nice weekend as well. We're kind of into that time of year here. The weather is just perfect, where you wake up and it's a little chilly, and then maybe throw on a jacket. That ends up having to come off around noon. But a quick little market update, and this is less of a market update, more of a kind of what to watch for this week. Kind of towards the tail end of last week, market ticked down as Fed Chair Powell kind of threw some inflation warnings out there. It's kind of been an ongoing thing throughout this year with rate hikes. It looks, from a probability standpoint, that they're going to, at least in the short term, stay where they are here through November. That's what the market's pricing in, at least. I believe it's a 96% probability that there's no rate change at the next meeting. That is not to say anything, or that's not to say nothing's going to happen in December. So we'll see on that front. But last week, with that coming out, the S&P ticked down into negative territory for the month of October. On tap this week, so Tuesday, we get earnings from Alphabet, so Google's parent company, as well as Microsoft, kind of just two big tech companies to keep an eye on here during earnings season. Thursday, we're going to get the government's report on GDP and durable goods for the month of September. And then Friday, and this is really the most important, I would say, of the three, but we're going to get reports on personal income and personal consumption expenditure prices, the latter of which is the one that the Fed really hones in on when they start figuring out whether they're going to raise rates, keep them the same. As far as inflation is concerned, it's a really important figure. So I would expect some market volatility this week with kind of entering earnings season here, plus Fed meeting. It's going to be an interesting week, but hope everyone has a lovely week. As always, questions, comments, concerns, do not hesitate to reach out, and we'll talk soon.